Hi, everyone. Welcome to DigiTool Talk, where we help you discover the coolest digital tools of 2025. Let's dive in. Today, we'll cover the best software, plugins, video apps, and social media helpers to keep you ahead in 2025. If you're looking to boost your productivity, these apps will help you organize, collaborate, and stay on track. Creating videos is easier than ever with these intuitive editors, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Manage your social media with tools that schedule posts, analyze engagement, and help you create content. Plugins can boost your workflow. Think of SEO plugins or extensions that streamline your browsing and content. Whether you're editing videos or creating thumbnails, these tools make the process quick and simple. Grow your social channels faster with tools that automate posts and boost engagement authentically. Digital marketing is key. Use these tools for email campaigns, ads, and tracking customer behavior. If you're new, these beginner-friendly tools offer great tutorials, free trials, and helpful communities. The future is here with AI, automation, and mobile-focused tools that make work seamless and fast. Picking the right tools depends on your goals, budget, and reviews. Always try before you buy. Remember, choosing the right tools saves you time and effort. Check DigiTool Talk for updates and deals.